red to green.
I don't think this one is going to go anywhere. You know that.
Okay. Well, no longer. Toothpaste? You've never heard of elephant toothpaste?
Well, elephant have really big teeth, right? So they're going to have a lot of toothpaste, right? Where's their solution?
It's right there, and you pour it into there. Okay, guys.
Pay attention, you guys. We're going to make some elephant toothpaste.
Make some elephant toothpaste, guys. Come on. Yes, elephant toothpaste.
I hope it works.
Let's give it some time.
Do you want to see? Okay, see how this is really tight right now? You put it in, and then you
Nope,
shake
watch
it.
out. And that's what elephant toothpaste looks like. Keep your teeth nice and minty fresh.
Okay, can I use some?
No, it's not for you. It's only for elephants.
Well, do you guys have an elephant?
Sadly, no, we don't have an elephant.
Not today.
Okay, so they can see everything.
Look at that.
It almost looks like a snowman.
That's for elephants. They need to brush their teeth.
This is like your Bristol making.
Do you guys have any questions about it?
It's a chemical reaction that heats up.
All chemical reactions create heat. I wouldn't.
Most of them.
Like we said, elephants need a lot of toothpaste.
I wouldn't stick your fingers in it, but you don't have to worry about burning yourself.
How long does it last?
It'll keep going.
It'll go for a while.
It just depends on how much you put in. Water molecules.
What?
Now these are really big ones. The actual water molecules, I could fit about 1,000 right on my finger. You can't see them, they're so small. Okay? And water molecules are made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So you have hydrogen and oxygen. They're two different colors. And these ones you can actually stick them together and they're magnetic. You can play with them if you want.